always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Honestly, eat it for every meal, or just eat it all the time without even stopping.
You get fat.
No, why would I get fat?
Bread makes you fat.
Bread makes you fat?
Newsflash, eating bread makes you fat, especially if you are insulin resistant. So I showed you in a previous video on how to make some keto bread rolls. So today's episode is going to be on how to make keto naan bread. So if you're interested to see how I make this delicious flatbread consumed in the Middle East and in other parts of the world, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this particular recipe, you're going to need coconut flour, coconut oil or olive oil, psyllium husk, baking powder, salt, and granulated onions or garlic, and 2 cups of hot water. So first of all I'm going to do is add all the dry ingredients together. Give it a stir. Then I'm going to add the oil. And then the hot water. Now this has to be to the consistency of Play-Doh. So if it's not, if it's too thick, then you add more water. If it's too runny, then you add more psyllium husk. So now I'm just going to tip it over onto this plate. Just like this.
I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take.
And make it into a ball.
So much to discover. Getting lost with you.
And with a knife, I'm just going to cut this into pieces. Like that. And then take it and just flatten it out as best as I can, and I'll just keep repeating the process. Now I can remove them. And repeat the process.
Now let's do this.
So I'm just going to spread some cream cheese on this bread. You can spread peanut butter, you can have just regular butter on it, and you are good to go. This is my naan bread, and I've just spread some cream cheese on there, but of course you can put any topping of your choice, providing that it's keto friendly. So here goes the taste test. Love it. I absolutely think this is so delicious, and obviously you can add more things to the dough mix that you want. I've put granulated garlic to give it that garlic flavour, but you could put in fennel seeds, cayenne pepper, onion, specks of like tomato if you wanted to, and really make it your own. So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this new recipe of keto naan bread, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll check you out in my next video. Bye for now.